Today, I am taking on the challenge of simplifying the Capture Recapture method so you can ace your GCSE easily. Let's see if I can make this tricky topic super easy to understand. Here's a question. Carlos wants to find an estimate for the number of ants in a colony. He catches 60 ants from the colony and marks each one with a die. He then returns the ants to the colony. Let us annotate this part of the question. So 60 ants were marked with a die that were captured, but we don't know the total number of ants in the colony. It is fair to say then this 60 ants would be a fraction of the total number of ants in the colony. So we can write 60 over the total number of ants. Let us call that x because we don't know what that value is. A week later, Carlos catches another 60 ants. 8 of these are marked with a die. So here, the proportion of ants that were caught on the second catch can be used to estimate the number of ants in the colony. Therefore, we can equate 60 over x to equal to 8 out of 60, because 8 out of 60 here were marked with a die on the second catch. Therefore, we can solve for x now. So we multiply both sides by x. Therefore, on the right hand side I have 8x. And we can multiply both sides by 60. Therefore, on the left hand side I would have 60 multiplied by 60. So 8x equals 3,600. So we want to find the value of x. So we divide both sides by 8. So x equals to 450. So the estimate for the number of ants in the colony is 450. Okay, and then we want to write down an assumption we have made. So here we can say that none of the ants that were marked in the initial catch had faded. So you can write none of them faded. Or you could say no other ants joined the colony, or you can say no other ants left the colony. We can use the formula here on the right to solve capture and recapture problems. Let's use the formula to solve this problem. So the formula here is captured marked over x. Here x is an estimate for the size of the population, which we don't know, and that is equal to the recaptured marked over the recaptured total. So from this question, if I annotate here, 60 ants from the colony were marked with a die. So here the captured mark would be 60, and the estimate for the population is x, which we don't know. So we have 60 over x, and that is equal to the recaptured mark. So the recaptured mark here would be 8. So we would have 8 over the total recaptured here, which is 8 out of 60. And we would just simply multiply both sides by x first. So we have 8x. And then we multiply both sides by 60, which is 3,600. And then we need to get x, so we divide both sides by 8. So x equals to 450. This formula is very effective when solving capture and recapture problems at GCSE. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and also give a comment. And please look out on the channel for other videos that can help you.